Rere igeranio cia KCPE na KCSE kuhiriirie arutani anene hamwe na aria mathuritwo kurugamirira igeranio kaunti-ini ya Laikipia o ndumwe na kaunti ya Nyandarua ni matabanirie giikaro hamwe na timu iria itanyitwo kugacirithia ugitiri hindi ya kigeranio gia KCPE.
The best.
Kurumirira riboti iria ciumiritie cia ciana cia thukuru kuhanda muno makiria mwaka muhituku hindi igeranio, DCC wa Nyandarua ya Rugongo Walter Ngaira ugite ni mambikite mitaratara ya kumenya ciana iria ire hatikaini no mwaka uyu niguo kumarumbuya riri megukorwo magika igeranio ciao.
Remember that we also had a case of one of the girls who gave birth, and during the monitoring our CS devolution came. And when he came, they had a session with the girl. And then there are some things that the girl talked to the CS because he wanted to know who is responsible and such things. And then now it forced us now, this team that you see here, being asked some questions and being told to do some investigations. So such cases we don't want to experience this time around.
Oho ni ashakaete unyihu wa ciana cia tuhi hindi igeranio cia KCSE mugaru na namberi akoragwo hindi igeranio cia KCPE akiuga kwina hotekeku ciana cia tuhi ni itigaga thukuru.
When our candidates do the KCPE exams, the boys are always more than the girls. Now, but when we reach Form 4, the boys disappear and the girls now wanakuwa wengi. So we want to cooperate with you stakeholders and now try to see where are these boys disappearing to.
Kaunti ya Laikipia, afitha murugamiriri wigeranio gicigo-ini kia ubunge kia Nyahururu Anastasia Njuri ugete ni merite arutani maundu maria mafati gwika gutigirira ciana ciothe ni cieka kigeranio, akiuga arutani ni mafati gutigirira ciana itinoka na indo cingicukirwo ni cia kuiyira kigeranio, na uhoni ugete ni mahete arimu na arugamiriri a kigeranio mukana
mundu ucio agikorwo ari muriu. Kigeranio ni confidential material, kana kindu very confidential, koguo ndari na capacity ya kuhandle kigeranio kiu, koguo nikio turamera gutikana kinye handu tukorwo na mundu tocio.
Anene a ugitiri miene yo yere ni marite ruthiomi rumwe rwo gutigirira ugitiri wa kuigana ni wonekana, na kuria DCC wa Nyahururu Patrick Muli ayanete mukana wa gutabania mabra o mothe akwina thukuru kuria igeranio igakorwo igithie na mbere. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, Geto Waithira wa Kihara.